Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use habits on TickTick. So let's get started. First, open the TickTick.com in your browser and then log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, go to the top left side of your screen and you will see your profile icon. Once you click on this, you will find the settings option. Just click on this and a new window will pop up. Now go to the features and here you can see the habit tracker option. Just enable this and click on the cross button. Now this will update it and you can see the habit tracker is now on your dashboard. Click on this and choose the date you want to set a reminder for your new habit and just click on the plus icon on the top of your screen. Now a new window will pop up and here you have to fill this form, like give your habit a name, then choose the frequency like daily, weekly, 3 days, 2 days, whatever, and then set the goal that to achieve or reach a certain amount, then start date and goal is. After done with all of this, just check the checkbox which says auto pop up of heading log and click on save. Once it's done, click on the date you have chosen, and as you can see here, your habit tracker is now updated and you are ready to build healthy, consistent habit using TickTick. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.